Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a reliable portable printer, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the HP OfficeJet 250 all-in-one portable printer. This printer is perfect for anyone who needs on-the-go printing. Whether you're traveling for work, going to meetings, or just need a printer that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the HP OfficeJet 250 has got you covered. It's compact, durable, and can easily fit in your car or backpack for convenient printing anywhere. With wireless and mobile printing capabilities, you can easily print from your laptop or mobile devices, no need for tangled cords or complicated setups. The 265-color touchscreen makes navigating the printer a breeze, and the auto document feeder allows for hands-free, multi-page printing, copying, and scanning. The long-lasting battery means you can reduce charging interruptions and print whenever and wherever you need to. And with the ability to print from anywhere using your smartphone or tablet with the free HP ePrint app, you'll never be tied down to a specific location. Plus, with original HP ink and cartridges, you can expect great results print after print. The printer also supports a variety of paper sizes, so you can print everything from letters and legal documents to photos and envelopes. So, if you're in need of a portable printer that's reliable, easy to use, and can keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle, then the HP OfficeJet 250 all-in-one portable printer is the perfect choice for you. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on the convenience and quality that this printer has to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Happy printing! Hey there, gaming enthusiasts! Today I have something super exciting to share with you all: the $20 Nintendo eShop gift card digital code. Have you ever found yourself wanting to download the latest games or applications, but not having the funds to do so? Well, with this eShop gift card, that won't be a problem anymore. Whether you're treating yourself or gifting it to a fellow gamer, this gift card ensures that you'll always have funds available for your Nintendo eShop purchases. And the best part? No credit card is required. Simply apply the code to your account and start browsing through a selection of over 1,000 new, classic, and indie games. You can even have them directly delivered to your Nintendo Switch system. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your Nintendo eShop gift card now and get ready to dive into a world of endless gaming possibilities. The link to purchase the card is in the description below. Don't miss out on the fun. Get your hands on this gift card and start gaming today. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews and gaming content. Happy gaming, everyone! Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a must-have product for anyone who uses electronic devices, the LiCB CR2032 3V lithium battery, 10-pack. These high-quality batteries have been tested under strict quality control standards and are C and RoHS certified. Grade A cells CR2032 ensure longer battery life and long-lasting power, giving you the exact fresh CR2032 battery with a full 3 volts charge and a shelf life of 3 years. These batteries are primarily used in a wide range of devices including watches, computer motherboards, calculators, garage door openers, toys, games, MP3 players, and much more. They are compatible with various battery types including Energizer CR2032, DL2032, and BR2032. Making them the perfect choice for all your battery needs. With this 10-pack of CR2032 batteries, you will always have a reliable power source on hand for all your devices. Don't let a dead battery stop you in your tracks. Stock up on LiCB CR2032 batteries today and never be without power again. So, if you want to ensure that your devices have the power they need to keep going, click the link in the description to get your 10-pack of LiCB CR2032 3V lithium batteries today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the Dream Pairs women's knee-high boots, specifically the Utah low-stacked heel knee-high riding boots. These boots are a must-have for anyone looking to up their style game this season. First off, the quality of these boots is top-notch. They're made with high-quality materials that are built to last. The low-stacked heel adds a touch of elegance while still being comfortable enough to wear all day long. The knee-high design is perfect for pairing with your favorite dresses, skirts, or even your go-to pair of jeans. Not to mention, the versatility of these boots is amazing. Whether you're heading to work, going out for a night on the town, or just running errands, these boots will take your outfit to the next level. So, if you're looking to add a stylish and versatile pair of boots to your wardrobe, be sure to check out the Dream Pairs Women's Utah Low-Stacked Heel Knee-High Riding Boots. Trust me, you won't regret it. And don't forget to click the link in the description to get your own pair today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more fashion and style tips. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting new product to review for you. If you're tired of your old dim headlights and are in need of an upgrade, then you're in luck. Introducing the Morimoto 5.7 and round SEA LED 6x LED headlight housing replacement. This universal plug-and-play sealed beam assembly is perfect for upgrading your high and low beams. With a 5-year warranty, you can trust in the quality and durability of this product. With an output of 2,400 lumens for the low beam and 4,300 lumens for the high beam, you'll never have to worry about visibility again. The 5000 Kelvin rating provides a pure white light that will make your driving experience safer and more enjoyable. Made with powder-coated cast aluminum housing and UV-treated polycarbonate lens material, this headlight is built to last. The H4 male connector and included wire taps make installation a breeze, and it's completely plug-and-play. So, if you're ready to upgrade your headlights and see the road in a whole new light, be sure to check out the Morimoto SEA LED 6x LED headlight housing replacement. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching. Hey there, all you cat lovers. If you want to keep your indoor cats entertained and mentally stimulated, then you definitely need to check out the Magic Organ Cat Scratcher Board Cat Ball Adventure. This innovative and multi-purpose cat toy is the ultimate interactive mental and physical exercise for your furry friends. Unlike other scratching boards, the Magic Organ Cat Scratcher Board is foldable, making it suitable for cats of all ages. Your feline companions will love stretching, playing, scratching, and resting on this eco-friendly and recyclable toy. Made of high-quality, environmentally friendly corrugated paper and non-toxic cornstarch glue, it's safe and healthy for your adorable cats. The design of mesh honeycomb density and thickening type ensures that the scratching board is strong, durable, and does not hurt your cat's claws. It's the perfect way to protect your home while giving your cats the exercise they need. So, if you want to keep your indoor cats happy, healthy, and entertained, click the link in the description to get your Magic Organ Cat Scratcher Board Cat Ball Adventure today. Your cats will thank you for it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome cat-related content. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a must-have item for your wardrobe, the Carhartt Men's Relaxed Fit 5-Pocket Jean. These jeans are an absolute essential for any guy looking for style, comfort, and durability. With a relaxed fit and classic 5-pocket design, these jeans are perfect for everyday wear. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or just hanging out with friends, these jeans have got you covered. The best part? They're made by Carhartt, a brand known for their high-quality, long-lasting clothing. These jeans are built to last, so you can count on them to hold up to whatever you throw at them. So, if you're in the market for a new pair of jeans, look no further than the Carhartt Men's Relaxed Fit 5-Pocket Jean. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. If you're interested in getting a pair for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching. Hey there, cat and dog lovers. If you're looking for the perfect interactive toy for your furry friends, then look no further. Introducing Cowjag Cat Toys, laser pointer with 5 adjustable patterns. This amazing toy comes with 3 modes for indoor play, making it perfect for keeping your pets entertained and active. The USB rechargeable feature means you never have to worry about running out of power, and it's compatible with a range of devices for your convenience. Not only is it easy to use, but it's also durable and portable, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The stainless steel shell and anti-shedding tape design ensure that it will stand the test of time. So, what are you waiting for? Enhance your pet's motor skills and keep them engaged with this fantastic interactive toy. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Cowjag Cat Toys, laser pointer with 5 adjustable patterns today. Your pets will thank you for it. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the passenger side-by LED headlight for the Lexus ES300H and ES350 from 2016 to 2018. This headlight assembly is an exact fit to OEM number 81140-33A60 and meets or exceeds DOT and SAE compliance standards. It comes with bulbs, lens, housing, and socket, and is factory sealed brand new in the box. The bi-LED with LED daytime running light ensures excellent visibility and safety on the road, while the sleek design adds a touch of style to your Lexus. So, if you're in need of a replacement headlight or simply want to upgrade the look of your ES300H or ES350, look no further. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab your own bi-LED headlight assembly for the Lexus ES300H and ES350. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and product highlights. Hey there, fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Merrell Men's Accentor 3 Mid Waterproof Boot. If you're in the market for a reliable and durable hiking boot, then this might be the perfect option for you. First and foremost, let's talk about the waterproof feature. The Accentor 3 Mid is equipped with Merrell's M-Select Dry Membrane, which seals out water and lets moisture escape, so you can stay dry when you're out on the trails. But that's not all. These boots also offer excellent traction, thanks to their grippy outsole with durable traction that grips when and where you need it. Whether you're trekking through muddy trails or navigating rocky terrain, these boots will keep you steady on your feet. In terms of comfort, Merrell has got you covered. The Accentor 3 Mid features a cushioned heel and EVA foam midsole for all-day support and comfort. You can say goodbye to sore feet after long hikes with these boots on your feet. And of course, we can't forget about the stylish design. The Merrell Men's Accentor 3 Mid Waterproof Boot comes in a sleek and modern design that not only looks great, but also performs well in various conditions. So, if you're looking for a high-quality hiking boot that's waterproof, comfortable, and reliable, then I highly recommend checking out the Merrell Men's Accentor 3 Mid Waterproof Boot. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your hands on a pair of these fantastic boots. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more gear reviews and outdoor adventures. Happy trails, everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Madden Girl Women's Winslow Fashion Boot. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button so you don't miss out on any of our future reviews and recommendations. Let's talk about these incredible boots. The Madden Girl Women's Winslow Fashion Boot is the ultimate combination of style and comfort. With a sleek design and durable construction, these boots are perfect for any fashion-forward woman looking to make a statement. What really sets these boots apart is the attention to detail. From the high-quality material to the stylish buckle detail, every aspect of these boots is carefully crafted to give you a standout look that will turn heads wherever you go. Not only do these boots look great, but they also offer exceptional comfort and support. The cushioned insole and sturdy sole make them perfect for all-day wear, whether you're running errands or hitting the town with friends. So, if you're looking for a stylish and versatile pair of boots that will elevate your wardrobe, look no further than the Madden Girl Women's Winslow Fashion Boot. Don't miss out on the opportunity to add these amazing boots to your collection. Check out the link in the description to get your own pair today. Hey there, cat lovers. Today we have an exciting product to share with you, the Cat Grass Growing Kit with 5 packets hydroponic seeds. This kit is the perfect way to provide your indoor cats with a natural and healthy treat. One of the great things about this kit is that it's soil-free, which means no mess and no hassle. The hydroponic seed revolutionizes the way we grow plants by eliminating the need for fertile soil. This not only maximizes growing space, but also encourages more environmentally friendly farming practices. Not only is this kit soil-free, but it also promotes 100% organic, clean and pest-free growing. By not requiring soil, you can ensure that your plants are grown in a totally organic way, free from contamination with pesticides or harmful chemicals. But the benefits don't stop there. Consumption of 100% organic hydroponic seed grass, enriched with vitamins A, B, C, D, and K, potassium, and iron, strengthens the immune system, favors better digestion, and promotes healthy skin and coat in your cat. And let's not forget about the fun factor. The hydroponic grass stimulates your cat's playing and hunting instincts, offering a fun and different interaction experience that will keep your cat entertained. Not to mention, our innovative plastic pot makes it easy to germinate grass without soil, avoiding mess and providing greater convenience and humidity control, ideal for indoors and totally reusable. So what are you waiting for? Give your indoor cats the gift of organic, healthy, and fun grass with our Cat Grass Growing Kit. Just check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Your cats will thank you.